Hi, it's Tiffany with Babes and Kids, and I'm here today to review the Hoover Wind Tunnel T-Series. Hoover sent me this awesome new bagless upright to review. I'm really excited about it because my old vacuum just wasn't cutting it, wasn't picking stuff up. We were having a lot of problems with the belt, and so I'm super excited to have this one. I've done my upstairs, and I could not believe how much stuff that it picked up that I couldn't see. It's probably been sitting in my carpet forever. Anyway, so I'm gonna show you my basement. We're gonna vacuum that. We moved in last winter. We haven't done a ton with our basement, and this is where the kids play a lot. So they have lots of room to play. So as you can see, the carpet isn't too bad right now. There's some stuff on the floor. But anyways, we'll grab the vacuum and see what it picks up. So we're going to go ahead and vacuum my basement, see how much this picks up without us realizing that it's there. One thing that I really love is this cord. Pull it out, press this lever on the side, and it goes back in by itself. It's really nice, no more winding cords. So we'll go ahead and pull the cord out. Vacuuming. Power button's up here. So the hose is super easy to use too. Press this button and it releases your hose, and you can go ahead and do edges. Okay, so I'm done vacuuming my basement. I've never had a bagless, but I didn't realize how easy they were. You just press this button to pop it off. And then if you can see, my basement didn't look that bad, right? Yeah, right. Look at that there. So we will go upstairs and I will show you how to empty it. Okay, so there's two easy ways that you can empty this. You can either take it off the top, which that's easy, and this also has a rinsable filter, so you never have to buy another filter, which is super nice. Or there's a latch here on the bottom that you simply undo and then empty it out. I like to empty it out this way. So if you see all that nastiness in there, and then you've gotten rid of it all, you simply put this back on, locks in place.